A particle moving in simple harmonic motion has an amplitude of 4.5 meter and period of oscillation of 3.5 seconds. Find the time required by the particle to pass 2 points which are at a distance of 3.5 meter and 1.5 meter from the center and on the same side of mean position. Here amplitude is given. Amplitude R is equal to 4.5 meters and time period is equal to 3.5 seconds. Okay, if time period is there, we can find out the angular velocity omega. Omega is equal to 2 pi divided by Tp, that is 2 pi divided by 3.5 seconds, that is equal to 1.8 radians per second. Okay, so we got our omega. We are considering x1 and x2 be the distance of first and second point from mean position. Okay, then x1 is equal to r1 cos omega t1. Okay, or x1 is equal to r cos omega t1. R is constant only. Okay, so x1 is equal to r cos omega t1. x1 is 3.5 meter. That is equal to r. R is 4.5 into cos omega. Omega is 1.8 radians per second. We need to convert that into degree. 1.8 into 180 divided by pi into t1. Okay, then cos 1.8 into 180 divided by pi into t1 is equal to 3.5 by 4.5. If you take the cos inverse of that value and divide that value divided by 180 into 1.8 by pi, if you solve that, we will get t1 as 0.38 seconds. Okay, and the second point, that is x2 is equal to r cos omega t2. Okay, x2 is 1.5, r is 4.5, cos omega is 1.8 radians per second. To convert that into degree, we need to multiply it with 180 divided by pi and t2. Okay, if you solve this, you will get t2 as 0.68 seconds. Okay, then the time required to pass 2 points. Time required to pass 2 points. Okay, time required to pass 2 points means the difference of these two times, that is t2 minus t1, that is equal to 0.68 minus 0.38, that is equal to 0.3 seconds. Okay.